This is a carving demonstration video for maxillary first premolar of right side. We'll make all the markings on the wax block with the help of a scale, carver and divider. The cervico-occlusal length of the crown is 8.5 mm. The length of the root is 14 mm. Mesio-distal diameter of the crown is 7 mm and that at the cervix is 5 mm. Labiolingual diameter of the crown is 9 mm and that at the cervix is 8 mm. We will mark all the sides of the tooth with the help of a carver. Now joining all the points or the markings made on the wax block, we will carve out the excess wax. Both from the mesial and the distal side. After the mesial and distal reduction of wax, this is the shape of the tooth. Now we will again mark the markings of the labio-palatal side and carve out the excess wax. We will carve the excess wax taking in consideration the buccal ridge and the lingual ridge present on both the aspects respectively. After the reduction from occlusal aspect, it's hexagonal in shape. Now on the buccal surface of the tooth, we will make 3 lines dividing the tooth into incisal third, middle third and cervical third. We will make another line from the buccal ridge to the incisal third on both the sides. Now we will carve out the excess wax. This is the shape of the crown after removing the wax. Now from the middle third of the tooth, we will carve the wax arbitrarily in outward direction. While carving the buccal surface, we will keep in mind preserving the buccal ridge of the tooth. From the cervical third of the tooth, we will round off. We will always keep in mind preserving the buccal ridge of the tooth. After all the reduction in the buccal surface, this is the shape of the crown. Now we will do similar reduction on the palatal surface of the tooth, marking the crown in 3 parts similarly: incisal, middle and cervical third. The palatal ridge of the tooth is not as prominent as the buccal ridge, and this is the crown after the palatal reduction. Now we will move on to the occlusal surface of the tooth. We will mark a midline. Now we will carve the tooth, the excess, the wax from the buccal surface towards the midline drawn, first on the mesial slope, then on the distal slope, preserving the cuspal ridge on both the sides. Reduction on the mesial side of the crown. Similarly, reduction on the distal side of the crown, preserving the cuspal ridge. We will repeat the similar procedure from the palatal surface of the tooth. This is the tooth after reduction. The crown has nearly attained the shape of the premolar. Now preserving the mesial and distal marginal ridges, we will carve mesial and distal triangular fossas. Now that we have almost completed the crown carving, we will move towards the carving of the root. We will roughly draw a taper shape representing the root of the tooth on the wax block. Similar marking made on the palatal surface. Now we will remove the excess wax from the mesial and distal side. Now we will roughly make 2 triangular markings on the mesial and distal aspect of the tooth, indicating the furcation. We will slowly carve out the excess wax. Now we will start the reduction of wax from the buccal and palatal surface of the root. The root after carving. Now we will give distal divergence to the root. After the distal divergence, we will make mesial developmental groove. Now we will mark the cervical line of the tooth. The cervical curvature on the mesial aspect is 1 mm and that at the distal aspect is 0 mm. Finally, we will carve the palatal cusp 1 mm shorter than that of the buccal aspect of buccal cusp. From the buccal aspect, the tooth resembles maxillary canine and only the buccal cusp will be visible. From the lingual aspect, both the buccal and the lingual cusp are visible since the lingual cusp is 1 mm shorter. So this is the complete video for the carving of maxillary first premolar.